So what solutions are available today to address the hazards of recoil from parting lines? How do you prevent the incident from occurring and also minimize the risk if a breakage does occur? Let's talk about prevention first. Likely the best prevention is increased reliability achieved by a proper rope inspection and maintenance process. This can be used to complement your overall safety management system. Supporting programs, like Samson's Icaria, can further help proactively identify and prevent line damage and effectively manage the mooring line life cycle. Automatic release hardware aims to disconnect a line prior to an overload condition, while tension monitoring systems and indicators can also provide some warning of extreme tension conditions, but typically not early enough to avoid a recoil event. These release and monitoring systems are a good additional layer of protection. However, their effectiveness can be influenced by factors such as rope condition, maintenance on winches or hooks, and the need for human intervention. It is possible that even with prevention and monitoring activities in place, lines can still part, and there are some products available that are designed to reduce the impact of such scenarios. Fencing or other types of barriers can be utilized, but they can't always absorb the energy of a broken mooring line, and they could get in the way of rope deployment and travel on ship decks. Restraints to contain recoil have been considered and offered in some applications, attaching to lines to restrict their recoil direction and/or movement, but also adds complexity and time into the mooring process. In recent years, the most common offerings are various mainline rope constructions. Samson has been selling our Mooring Defender product for over 20 years as an effective solution for military and Coast Guard vessels. By utilizing Samson's DPX fiber, this patented design is ideal for non-winch applications as it provides improved grip on capstans and bitts. This product was developed and tested in accordance with the Cordage Institute's recoil test method to verify its recoil performance. There are other mooring line designs in the market from various manufacturers. Some are advertised to arrest, catch, or reduce recoil and risk by other methods. Some do not stop the recoil, but instead aim to provide a path and direction control. These designs are typically dependent on the addition of a single core rope. Others position jacketed ropes as being recoil resistant. When considering any of these products, it is critical that you calculate the amount of energy that will be in the full mooring line and tail assembly and determine if the mitigating component is sufficient to control the force. And do your homework and ask questions related to performance and testing methods to avoid a false sense of security around the safety in your operations.